Alright, so welcome to part 2 of disassembling that Sirius StarMate Ultra Compact 2005. And here we have the remote, super basic, just a little IR remote with a few buttons. Let's see what's inside. Usually there's a single screw, like right here. Oh, and we have a battery. Let's see if it does anything when I put this little battery. Looks like a CMOS battery. Well, anyways, let's just, do I put it in like that or like that? I have no idea. Let's just put it in like that. It just does not want to stay put. Okay. Ooh, it's doing something. It just turned on for a second. Okay, well, I'm just gonna take that out. Let's unscrew this. All right. I'm going to take my orange spudger. Okay, there we go. Oh, all right. There we go. There's a PCB, circuit board, main board, whatever you want to call it, for this remote. It just looks super flipping old. You can just tell. It's a bit of like corrosion. Like something leaked in here. Interesting. Capacitor there, some resistors, integrated chip, LED. Here's this button mold thing, and here are the buttons. Very interesting. Well, that's basically about it. Hope you enjoyed this video. I'm posting this on Instagram and YouTube, so make sure to watch them, or at least like them, on both platforms, please. Yeah. But part 1 is definitely going to be just on YouTube, because it's very long. It's like a 15-minute video, so yeah, feel free to check that out on YouTube.